Welcome to the Passionate Roaditor, TPR, where we stay on the road to keep you safe on the road. On this episode of TPR, we move away from the road. We go up, up, up so high that we leave Earth. Destination, the Sun. That's what NASA's Parker Solar Probe set out to do back in 2018. On December 24th, 2024, the probe managed to accomplish three incredible feats. First, it became the fastest moving object ever made by humans, flying at 692,000 kilometers per hour through the Sun's atmosphere. That translates to 192 kilometers per second. Nakuru is 156 kilometers from Nairobi. This means the craft would reach Nakuru in 0.81 of a second from Nairobi. It will reach Eldoret from Nairobi in just 1.63 seconds, since Eldoret is 312 kilometers from the capital. Nairobi to Mombasa, a distance of 486 kilometers, would take it a mere 2.53 seconds. We know that the speed of the Parker Solar Probe reached 692,000 kilometers per hour. For comparison, the iconic Space Shuttle would reach a speed of 27,358 kilometers per hour in orbit. The fastest Falcon 9 rocket by SpaceX reached a speed of 43,040 kilometers per hour. The fastest bullet is clocked at about 4,320 kilometers per hour. The Parker Solar Probe's hot assignment was to collect data about the Sun by flying in its atmosphere. The probe got to 6.1 million kilometers from the Sun on Christmas Eve. The Earth is 149 million kilometers from the Sun. This means that if the Earth is at the 0 meter mark in a field and the Sun is at the 100 meter mark, then the Parker Solar Probe will be at the 96 meter mark, just 4 meters from the Sun. Talk of a hot statistic. That is it. The Parker Solar Probe relayed a beacon tone that was received by NASA late on December 26th, confirming that it had survived the hot test and that it was operating as normal. This was the moment NASA scientists made the confirmation. It endured temperatures of up to 980 degrees centigrade. NASA aptly titled this humanity's closest encounter with the Sun, as no other man-made object has ever gone that close to the Sun and lived to tell the tale. What a monumental achievement! Prior to touching the Sun on December 24th, the probe had swept by the Sun 21 times. The idea to have an object fly by the Sun's atmosphere was conceived back in 1958. The Parker Solar Probe is named after Eugene Parker, an astrophysicist who died in 2022. The Parker Solar Probe is the first NASA spacecraft to be named after a living person. If you ever get to sit with the Parker Solar Probe, be sure to ask it about its hot take of the Sun, or maybe how it felt being so close to a star. Did you enjoy this scientific episode of TPR? Well, post your feedback on the comments section. Do like and subscribe to TPR to help promote road safety on Kenyan roads, as well as for the occasional update on mega scientific feats achieved by humans.